A-D-V-I-C-E is a noun that means an option or a recommendation that we give or receive to somebody else. Like, he gave me some advice to improve my English skills.
For you to remember it quickly, take note of this sentence. Advice, A-D-V-I-S-E, means to give advice. A-D-V-I-C-E. Now let's practice. Choose either advice with C or advice with S to complete the sentence.
I need your blank on which car to buy. Advise or advice?
That's right, kids. The answer is advice. A-D-V-I-C-E. I need your advice on which car to buy. How about, I will blank the customer that the bill is past due?
Correct. The answer is advise. A-D-V-I-S-E. I will advise the customer that the bill is past due. Try this one too. My mom's blank was to always follow your dreams.
That's right. The answer is advice. My mom's advice was to always follow your dreams. You all did so well, kids.
That's another fun and easy English lesson for you all. Thanks, kids.
See you next time.